Hello guys, I'm Mickey and today I want to teach you guys how to mix toning milk. Yes, I would have taken my time to mix it for you guys directly, but I felt like sitting back and directing you guys how to go about it. And I would have done it yesterday, but the time I got back home was so late. I was so delayed in Lagos traffic and stuff like that. Sorry it's coming this morning and it's late. I'm really sorry about that. The ingredient needed is 500 ml base cream of your choice. Please stay away from Dodo. Clinic Clear, abeg, it's preferable to use a base cream that does not contain hydroquinone or steroids. Let's continue. You will need 1 skin-free milk, 1 magic derma, 1 5 days action milk, 1 7 days serum, and 1 vitamin E oil, as in the raw vitamin E oil. I noticed most people that learned how to mix cream somewhere online are not being taught the complete ingredients. Now, I want to explain if there's an omission of 7 days serum and raw vitamin E oil. You begin to experience boil-like pimples on your back. It will disfigure your skin if the ingredient is not complete. So the job of 7 days serum and raw vitamin E oil is to make sure the cream does not give you any skin irritation whatsoever. And for those that have mixed the cream but did not use the complete recipe, it's better to get sulfur with almond oil. Warm up the sulfur into the almond oil and apply on the affected area to stop the occurrence of boil appearing on your back. Back to our cream mixture. You don't just add all the creams together in a container and mix together. That's not how to mix creams. First, you pour your base cream into a container. A plastic container is preferable, not metal. Metal, if not sanitized properly, can end up infecting the cream, which might cause irritation on the skin. So plastic spoon and bowl is better. You begin to add your ingredient, but mind you, as you're adding your ingredient gradually into the base cream, you should be mixing the creams together with the other hand. Once you are done mixing the cream, you store the cream for usage. The cream is not meant to be applied on the face. You should get a face cream since the texture of the face is different from that of the body. Face cream should not contain so much ingredient, else it might cause burn, breakouts, etc. And one good thing about the toning cream is that since it does not contain hydroquinone or steroids, you shouldn't be bothered about skin discoloration whatsoever. So in case you guys are concerned about getting the complete recipe about each cream course out there, you can just call +234 818 541 7558 to order for my ebook. You are getting the full ingredient to mix cream, not the omission of the ingredient whatsoever. I want to take my time to thank my subscribers for subscribing to my channel and my viewers. Please, I need you guys to click on the button below to subscribe to my channel. Share my video and also give it a thumbs up if you indeed enjoyed the video. And for those who did not get the ingredients, you can just check on my description box below so you get the full ingredients, you get the names of the ingredient and the quantity of the ingredient needed. Thanks.